In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to enhance your website's functionality and appearance. This guide is perfect for anyone looking to integrate HTML code into their Wix website to add widgets and apps with ease. With just a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to customizing your site like a pro. First things first, you'll need to navigate to wix.com. You'll start by entering the website address in your browser, which will take you to the Wix homepage. From there, you'll log into your account to access the site editor. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard with various options and settings available for you to begin customizing your site. Your next step involves the site editor. Look for the option labeled Add Elements. This is typically found on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking Add Elements will open up a menu of different options that you can use to personalize your website. Here's a little tip. Explore this menu to get a feel for the variety of elements you can add, from text boxes to images and beyond. This is where the fun really begins, allowing you to truly make your site your own. Now focus on embedding custom HTML code. In the Elements menu, you'll find an option for Embed Code. Select this, and a new window will appear. This feature is crucial for integrating third-party elements or customized scripts that you might want your site to support. It provides a way to enhance your site beyond the standard features Wix offers. Once you have the Embed Code window open, you'll want to proceed by clicking on the option that allows you to add widgets and apps using HTML code. This is found in the same toolbox, and it gives you the flexibility to extend your website's capabilities. Take a moment to consider the types of functionality you want to add to your site. Whether it's a booking system, a music playlist, or social media integrations, this step opens that door. After you've set up the HTML option, you'll be prompted to enter a website address. Here you'll type in the term HoneyBook. Don't worry if this concept is new to you. Entering this address helps create a bridge between the functionality you're adding and your website. It's a neat way to enhance interactivity and user experience on your site. Once you've entered the address, simply click Apply. This confirms your new settings and updates your site with the desired features. If everything looks good, you can close the window by clicking the X at the top corner. Remember, it's always a good idea to review your changes to ensure everything appears and functions as expected. Finally, the last and crucial step is to save your work. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top right of your editor window. Saving ensures all your hard work isn't lost and that the changes are live on your site. By following these steps, you've successfully added custom elements to your Wix site, enhancing its capabilities and style. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.